This video is an update to my initial Beomaster 8000 volume wheel damping video. In this video I will show how to use a 3D printed paddle wheel to increase the torque on the shaft of the volume wheel encoder. For more information, please visit my blog at beolover.blogspot.com or go to my website at www.beolover.com. Often Beomasters at this age lost the damping of the volume wheel, and that can lead to an accidental ramp up of the output to maximum. So typically what you see is this kind of behavior, that's just a light touch of the wheel results in several spins. My initial approach to solving this problem was to cut this shape from silicone and attach it to the shaft of the volume rotary encoder. Now this worked fairly well, but I didn't like that this shape here is irregular, and so of course it would be difficult to exactly reproduce this solution. And so I set out to design a 3D printed part that would standardize the interaction between the damping grease and the rotary encoder shaft. So that's what you see here. This is printed with a stereolithography printer and makes a nice press fit on the shaft of the rotary encoder. These features on the outside, they have the function of a paddle wheel to increase the interaction with the damping grease. I'm also using a different damping grease to work together with this paddle wheel. It's the Neogel 767A. This grease is much more heavy duty, it has a much higher viscosity than the grease that I used in my initial attempt. You can find more information about these materials at the Nye Lubricants website. Here's a little dry run of the paddle wheel. So it just fits on the shaft with a press fit, and it just rotates with the shaft without touching anywhere inside the damping cavity. The next step is to put a dab of the damping grease on there and to install the adjustment rail back on top with a new gasket. More about this process is in the original video. Okay, time to give this a spin. Seems to work very nicely. This concludes my video. I hope you enjoyed it. All the parts that I built are available to the community, so just send me an email. Thanks for watching.